Welcome to Bromley Car Repairs, the complete garage service for all makes and models. We offer a more personal service with a customer satisfaction guarantee. Specialists in VA, G Group, Audi, Volkswagen, Seat, Skoda and also BMW Mini. As a member of the Good Garage scheme, we work to the Good Garage scheme code of conduct. You can find details on our website. Our highly trained technicians are on hand 5 days a week. We have the latest diagnostic equipment. And you can save up to 50% on main dealer prices.
I constantly use Bromley Car Repairs because it's fantastic service and great value for money.
For more details, visit our website on www.bromleycarrepairs.co.uk.